Hello everyone. Okay, you're seeing what I'm seeing, and yes, it looks massive, and let me tell you, it is, y'all. Over 2,900 square feet, you guys. This is a home manufactured by Clayton Homes. Super excited to get to tour this one. Soon as I pulled in, which is like 20 minutes ago, this one was the one that my eyes were on the whole time. Just being honest, I about missed the drive. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, y'all. All right, let's get to walking and talking. We got so much to see. But yeah, this is at Clayton Homes here in Tyler, Texas. Look at those doors right there. What is on the other side of those doors? I'll tell you something very interesting. We've got this beautiful siding that we've got here. So yeah, we got a triple section house here off the back. Let me walk down through here, see what we've got. It's pretty close to another house, so I'm not going to be able to get too great of a shot, but I can come give you a little bit. I walked in this house right before starting the video, just kind of peeking around a little bit, trying to get a game plan together, see if it had a walk-in pantry. And let me tell you, I think it does. Look at these doors. 2 entryways, one there and one here. But here's what I'm trying to get to. I was walking around in here and I got lost. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. Let me show you what's over there. We gotta get on the front porch and get on in. All right, so here's a good look at this side as well. I love here, even at the show model, they brick this baby up, looks fantastic. Yeah, so this is a show house. You'll basically order off of this one. You can get it customized, set up and everything here at Clayton Homes in Tyler. And you could probably get this same model in other Clayton stores as well if you're not in this area. So stick around, I'll talk a lot about that after the tour. Show you one look right there. Right now we gotta get inside. Beautiful, I was gonna say porch, but we got a beautiful deck here off the front. And then yeah, those doors go into, you would think, a bedroom, but it's not. It's something else. I'll let you wonder for just a little while. Actually drop a comment if you would like what you think it would be. Also, let me talk about colors and stuff, customization if you want to do some different stuff here as well. Electrical outlet, and then we got a covered porch right here at the front door. Okay. From the time we walk in to the time we get finished, just some amazing things. Hope y'all are ready. We're going in. Don't forget to drop a like. Be sure to subscribe. Let's go. As soon as we walk in, you see our living room there. But I want to come back right here, shut the door right here as you walk in. Now, what? Catching a glimpse of that kitchen, aren't you? We're gonna get further in there. I want to go and start with the living room as always. Actually, as always, we got to start off with the coat closet right here that we have at the front entryway as well. We've got the tray ceiling in this living room. Over on past there, we got us a nice dining area. We've got the wood burning fireplace. Fantastic. Oh, looks like we got those really nice, tall, 9-foot ceilings. How about that? Here's some windows off the back. Now, obviously, if the house wasn't sitting right there, it'd be really cool to see with a great view if this was on a nice piece of property. Out here in Tyler, Texas, now, hey, there's some beautiful land out here. You mess around, get you about 40 acres and 40 cows. Because, I mean, they say a cow needs its own acre, which I know is crazy. Is that right? I don't know if that's exactly right, but something like that. But then you got to account for your house and your yard. So maybe you only need about 35 head. 35 head of them Corrientes, roping steers. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is you could look out the windows and see them. All right, here we got the dining area. Let me go ahead and hit it, and then we'll get into the kitchen since it's in here with this living room. We've got those doors there that I showed y'all when we was walking around back. That's a beautiful view into the kitchen. But I want to actually go back this way because we'll go down through there to hit those bedrooms, okay? And we'll see what that's like. But I want to come back and go in your kitchen from here. Oh, look, we even got a nook area. And then you're catching a glimpse of what's in there. You're gonna get the e-built features in this home by Clayton. All about energy efficiency, you guys. Energy efficiency. Definitely customization on your tops, your cabinets. We got the glass doors over here, and just look how long these are. Some very big cabinets. Got your plugs there. I want to hear from y'all as always as we tour. Let me know what you think. Share the video and definitely share some comments. Same backsplash, several electrical outlets. We got the white cabinets up top. These doesn't have the glass door, but you can still tell huge cabinets, built-in microwave. Let's see. How do you open this baby? Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Built-in microwave, Frigidaire. Yep, pretty special, huh? Not only just a huge home, if you need a big house, but also laid out wonderfully with lots of turns and twists, and it's really just getting going. Let's go down here and we'll look at some bedrooms. We got our laundry room first. Let me grab a Snickers real quick. Yeah, so when I came in here to do my little walk around before, this door was wide open. I had to, I told Bill, get in here and shut that door, buddy. We cannot have this wide open. Nobody will even pay attention to the kitchen cabinets. I got so much to say about them. Look at this. It just comes around. It's like nice little curvature here and huge shelves. Can't go wrong with a walk-in pantry. Now we're back on track. Oh, see what I'm saying? It's just hang with me. So there's that back door. Here's your little spot for your washer and dryer set up. You got you hanging right in here to dry those jeans. You've got your spot for your furnace and water heater right there. Breaker box. So that door would be great if you had you a garage back there, carport. What's really cool is you've got those right here, and I'll get on with the show. You got those doors there if you want to have like a back deck, back porch, little hangout area, swimming pool, all that cool stuff. And then this can kind of be like for your everyday use coming in and out of. Y'all let me know what you think. Think it's a good idea? All right, as we move on down here, we've got a bath. Let me hit this bedroom. Okay, huge baseboards. Overhead vents. Let's see, big closet as well. Let me get a light on in here for you. There we go. And look, we've got these very nice racks that I know y'all are definitely proud to see. But yeah, ample room in there. And don't ask me what ample means. I don't know. I just hear people say it all the time. All right, here's another bedroom. Good size as well. I'm just kidding. I know what ample means. It means like efficient, large, or not large, but like, here it is. Bill, pop it up for them. Wow. This is an ample closet as well. This thing is, I don't think I used that correctly right there, but anyways, nice, very nice. Lots of electrical outlets in this bedroom. Once again with the big baseboards. And check it out. So here's our bath. And then on the other side of the bath, look. Not only do we have another bedroom, we've got something else this way. I'll show it to you. We must start off with the bath though. Wonderful. Okay, here you go. I'll give you a little peek. All right. Let's look at this bedroom first. See, I bet y'all thought like, well, he just gonna forget about the room up front, ain't he? No, I had a plan the whole time. The whole time, you guys. But yeah, this is off the front. It's where those windows are there. Let's see about our closet in here. Not as big as the other two, but still really good size. I like how we've not only got our racks going this way, we've got them this way as well to give you some more space to hang those clothes. Yeah. Now right here, I haven't even looked at the floor plan at the time of recording, but I'm gonna say you would call this a den, family room, flex area. You know, you could do a number of things with this room. One thing that I'm thinking about, this could be a wonderful like home gym. You know what, maybe you don't want, I don't know. I bet you ladies are like, boy, you better shut your mouth. You just said what? Sitting in your kitchen looking at here, weight equipment, that was terrible, wasn't it? I'm sorry. But if you kept it really nice and clean, I'm just thinking it's a beautiful day. You open these doors up, you have like a outside, like an indoor outdoor workout going on. Okay, still not making it any better. All right, my bad. Sorry. Get you some, what you need to do is get you some shades right there that you could drop down and take up. And then, well, all right, I'm sorry. I'm trying to make it make sense. It just ain't making sense. It's that I apologize. All right, let's go down here and look at the main bedroom. But you see what I'm saying with the doors, get like a CrossFit workout going on. You know what I'm saying? Holy smokes, at the size of this room. This is where a lot of your square footage is, y'all. Huge. Ow. Golly. I mean, you put your little gym right in here. At least put your treadmill that you'd be a good spot to hang stuff, because that's what happens to most people when they have treadmills. They just end up becoming good places to hang things. We got the double doors right here into the bath, and then here we go. I'm gonna leave them open. Look at this. Wow. Continue on with the black cabinets, gold pools. Got the lighted mirrors in here as well, and look over here to my left. We're gonna have 2 different closets in this particular home in the main bedroom. Here's our first. Dual entry into the shower. Oh, wow. Very big as well. 2 different shower heads. Got a window. And And this bench area is big, you guys. Like, I always try to put my hand down and kind of show you, like, cause you can't, I'm looking at the camera, you can't really tell, it don't seem this big, but I mean, this thing is, what was that, 2 foot, probably? All right, then we'll go out this way and I wanna show you our our tub, excuse me. Oh, this closet continues on around here just a little more. So probably gonna be a little bit bigger than that other one. Awesome. This house has it all. I love when I get to tour homes this big and bad. I mean, it's just, you know, even from day one when I started doing these tours, you walk in something like this, you're just blown away, aren't you? You're just like, oh my goodness. Had no idea this thing had this much space and had all these different features and rooms. Y'all let me know what you think. Let's get into more info. As always, stay tuned for that. Don't forget to share and be sure to subscribe, you guys. So let's get into more information on this particular model. But first, let me give a huge thank you to Clayton Homes for sponsoring this video. And right now, they're having their Clayton Homes Sign and Save event, which allows you to get up to $5,000 instant savings on your new home purchase. Restrictions do apply. See the description for the complete terms and conditions. So this house right here, yes, over 2,900 square feet total. And it's a triple section. Actually, they was telling me this house was a little bit custom built. Let's see here. So yeah, they stretched it 2 foot to make it a 30 by 70. And it's normally a 68, but that's what they did there at Clayton Homes in Tyler, Texas. So if you was to get this home at a different Clayton dealer, just keep that in mind, okay? So the model name on this one is the K4568A. I'll have all that information in the description. And then, yeah, there'll be some links in the description to learn more about this sign and save event, okay? Just looking here at the floor plan. I mean, look, we've got 4 bedrooms plus that massive family room gym. After I edited the video, I'm like, I probably should take that out. But I'm leaving it because, hey, you know, some of y'all may think a gym is a good idea. I just feel like it's a small portion of you. But anyways, family room, 4 bedrooms, plus a huge, I mean, how big that main bedroom is incredible. And then I love how you walk in. I know you've already seen the tour, but I love how you walk in and it's not just your cookie cutter basic layout. I've got high hopes for this one. Y'all help me out and share this video if you will. I would really appreciate it. People need to see this amazing house. So you have Clayton as the manufacturer, but you would go through your local Clayton retailer to get this home ordered, customized, financed, and everything that you need. And Clayton has retailers all over the nation. And also this sign and save event is nationwide as well. Let me mention that. So you would want to go through your local retailer, get this house ordered, just the way you want it, financing, set up, everything it needs to take place for you to get into this house, okay? And once again, information in the description. Lastly, I want to get into estimated retail pricing and I'll be done. This is what they had there basically on their site from Clayton Homes of Tyler. I just screenshotted it. I'm going to pop it up for you. Just keep in mind this here in this video, there's so many unknowns we don't know depending on exactly where you're getting this house. How you order it and all that good stuff, okay? So all that can have an impact on price, but I'm going to give you what they have here. I just screenshot, like I said, and I'm going to pop it up for you right here. So there you go. There's a great idea on this house. Y'all let me know what you think. I hope you have a tremendous rest of your day. Stay tuned to the channel. I got some more great tours coming on the way. All right. Bye-bye now. See ya.